So our second key revision strategy is called transform it, and this comes beautifully after our first strategy, reduce it. So you can see here what I did with reduce was create a mind map about the cause and events and consequences of this moment of history that we were looking at. Now for transform it, I'm going to think about my revision even more. I've moved it from a long piece of text to my key highlights, and now I'm going to get rid of that and see what I can remember. Okay, so I'm going to transform this into a story, hoping that actually images and small snippets of information are really going to help me here. Now you can see this is one that I've already started, so I've gone through the causes and what I can remember about the causes, started to think about my actual event and what happens in the story, and then moving on to my consequences. So one consequence of this revolt was when Hitler went into prison, and then trying to think of something that would really highlight that when he comes out of prison, and then the whole thing that's just happened really makes him quite famous. So a way to show that he became famous really simply, quickly, because obviously we want to make our revision time effective, might just be having his name really large, becomes really famous, maybe some cameras. This is Hitler becoming super famous, very popular, maybe lots and lots of people now hear about him. Wow. He has become famous as a result of this, and that's one of our key consequences, something I really need to remember. So then I'll just write a small snippet. In 1924, Hitler was released from prison. The Munich Putsch had made him very famous. Okay. Now you can see I've got the storyboard. Hopefully these images and these small snapshots will really have helped me understand and remember the story. This way we've transformed the story all the way from a long piece of text into a short story that will really